Oh, officer. Oh, officer.
Be you comedy.
Officer, can I know my offense?
I got my children here.
Oh, officer, can I know my offense? What did I do, officer? Oh.
Continue, baby police. Hey, officer, mommy, see, and the one time Playman. Yeah, I'm a trauma, yeah, bet you are my way soon. Yeah, you know my friend. Hey, you know my friend. Opa coming full again. You will go insane. You do it, I go catch you again and again. Say Opa ko champa, wa uton sa, chiklo musika, one time Playman,
Baby police, yeah, bet you.
officer mami esi,
Yeah, bet you are my way. Yeah, bet you are my way.
ufa obi kunu,
Yeah, bet you.
ufa obi ri,
Yeah, bet you.
musika so
Yeah,
share,
bet you.
one time
Baby
Playman,
police, yeah, bet you.
officer mami esi,
Yeah, bet you are my way. Yeah, bet you are my way.
Esi. Ama. Eje mo no me frɛ mo a ɔsɛ mbɔ mo nya mo di etu ase ana. Ma ba esi. Wan ge so ama asa na ofa. Eh? Oh. Hey, abote fu. Ya kada se nya so mbɔ ni ata. Ya ka mo nya nya. Umma mo nya hye. Se me frɛ mo mo nya hye. Mo fa police ni. Be active. Come on, someone salute you, my nephews. How are you doing? You are doing good. I like your salute. Your own is good. Let me once again salute me. Yeah, and you too. Sir, yes, sir. And the mother. Kafra wai. Apo mana ma bre eja. Me feel nya body so. So no bi din komo. San komo yeso no. Akwai say my plan ache. Today is the right house on the Mocas because the channel. What's the mechanism? I don't know what is that. Oh, so I'm a catcher. I was on our watch the open. I was in Abuja, now I was in Abuja, the work as up and Casado. Woman, name me as a cast match. What can you do? Listen to yourself. Eh? Don't forget I'm a police officer. You get it? Good. I didn't win a maybe can get a person. About whole community. About me. Up why my money and an Anna Mamete, Anna Wuni's what Anna Miss Mini et. Mamma, I said, me a person. Station here. Most of times, no. Taco Conongo. One point you buy Santas about. Me, Mamma Cocoviancy. When you say I say so, no Bonia Coswana.
Ah, now I may my hair or be back. I'm not rapist, no, I don't.
I never per se. When you experience the ones they make an end. So, more home, Bianca Maca, come to me. We should bag her. Then not to me, good because you don't have any right or that to do that. We will report who you know. If you are a police near the arresting you, so what I say, you get it. Cabbage. Yes, that is the main key time of film. For now, from Eneko, Besem me, and Nemo. Get me up, may save this community, Coco Coby. So, my only a cost of getting yay.
I
don't know what was your name.
Yeah, more than you bet me up. I did a work chronama or my number.
Now, and what about the two now? Only pass any passamia.
Bible. When I am police, you are doing
What's with my You can do it, I can do it. We are the same human being, just as I maybe a police need. You know that, right? Someone him, sir. Who is police need? You become police by force. Since I'm more fire police, I'm police by force. But who can do it? What's wrong with you? What are you scared of? From now onwards, you are becoming baby police. Maybe Kamachi, Bambo, Muchi Obi and Obi Abono channel, no, this and what. bring the person to my office where I am. You get it? Huh?
Yeah, costume.
Oh, costume. I like your dialogues. I like your dialogues. You flow very well. I like it. I love it. It's inside. I'm fully prepared for you guys. Your costumes are there. Your weapons are there. Everything needed for you guys to become police. But one thing I want to say, don't mind your body, but mind your inside, your engine, and your words, your dialogues. Inside, you're police officers. But outside, you'll see as kids. But when you wear the uniforms and you hold your weapons, I bet you say everybody is scared of you, no matter the height and your stature you guys have.
Hey, Papa, now comfort here.
Comfort better to now comfort. Yes, I can be able to say, "Yeah, Mum, yes, I and Mamma said, "I'm for." I'm not TV soon, you know, or Munife. Hey, you under arrest. Hands up, put your hands on the head, sharp and one. So for now, go and rest. Tomorrow morning, we are starting. We are starting training, police training. Say police training. Now let me see you. Say yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sharp. Let's go. Go inside. Tomorrow, we start training. We are starting everything today. And here's a training now. I say, you guys will become stronger police women. I'll call you baby police. Make your mentality strong. Your mentality must be strong. 1, make criminals scared of you. 2, make rapists scared of you.
Yes, sir.
3, make sure fake drivers are scared of you too. Last but not the least, make TV drivers who does not have license scared of you. Your mission is to protect this community called Ahenema Kokobin. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Counting from the left side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Start from you.
1. Last number. 2, sir.
Good. Now, we are about to march. Now, left, right. 1, go. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Okay. Left, right. Benkumunifa. Benkumunifa. Left, right. Forward. March. Left, right. Okay. Left, right. That's my girls. Left, right. Hot. 1, 2. Good. Next time, drop back. Next time, now go back. Good. Stay. When we are marching, march with dignity. Okay? Like 1, go. Left, right. Okay? Left, right. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, forward, march. Left, right. Okay. Left, right. Hot. 1, 2. No. This is your left. This is your right. Left. 10. Good. Left. 10. Now you see a mistake there. You see, I said this to the left. This is your left side. I'll slap you, Joe. Huh? This is your left side. Left side is this. Right is this. A year. What is a year? What it? Turn left. Let me see your face, my friend. Huh? Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. How are you doing, sir? Can I see your license? License there? Yeah, let me see. Hey, come and check license. Come and check. This guy turn off the light on. Yeah. Good. Now, check the license right now. Check the license. You check lances if it's good or not. Go. Good. Open it and see if it's good or not. Now you check this one. Yeah. You see, everything is intact now. So this one is correct lances. I aspire. So he's free to go. See, next what the man is here. Like this. Boss, have it. Then you come and stand here. Move, you can go. Am I clear?
Yes,
now I tell you to move, you can go.
Move.
You can go, my friend. Thank you, sir. This is how the work is done. But you must say that here, we are here to protect the community. That's all for today. Tomorrow, we are starting work. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Last time, Bàby said, "Come on, let's go home. What day? Last number 14. She be at 28, 18, 14. Oba munchi mutim. Udu one ma over. Number you dim kwase odwam. Match number next time. You get it? Good. So tomorrow you are starting work. Thank you very much. Let's go home. March. Left, right.
Officer. Oh, officer.
Be you comedy.
Officer, can I know my offense?
I got my children here.
Oh, officer, can I know my offense? What did I do, officer?
Cotier, baby police. Hey, officer, mommy, see, and the one time Playman. Hey, I'm a trauma, yeah, bet you are my way, yeah. You know my friend,
Hey, you know my friend.
Opa coming full again. You will go insane. You do it, I go catch you again and again. Say Opa ko champa, wa uton sa, say Chiclo musika, one time Playman.